Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today I'll be showing you how you can make your profile on Facebook more private or how you can lock your profile. So go open your Facebook account, even on your phone, and just tap on the profile icon on the lower right. And then go to settings, tap on profile settings. And here you just want to go to privacy. And once you're here, just scroll down a bit and under your activity, here are the following that you can set to only me. So for example, for the first option, who can see your future posts? As you can see, it is currently set to public. So just tap on that and tap on more and then select only me. So this way, only you would be able to see the content of your posts. So the next thing that you want to do is go back and then select the second one, limit who can see past posts, it says here, and just tap on limit past posts. The next one is who can see the people, pages, and lists you follow. As you can see, it is currently set to public, so I'm just going to change that, tap on more, and set that to only me. The next one is who can see your future reels. It's set to public, so I'm just going to tap on friends, and that is done. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this helped, and we will see you in the next video.